Welcome to video. In this compose tutorial video we are going to learn about what is text compose and how we can display the text using this text compose, and we are going to check all these points like that: display text, how to make the text style to bold, italic, and how to make the text underline, on how to add shadow for the text, and also we will learn how to apply the custom font for the text. So this is the output we are going to generate. So let's create a compose project, new project, compose, select empty compose activity, mark it as compose text example, and next finish it. It is creating the compose project with the default text as text. So we can see that in the preview build as default is showing just text hello I'm right. So now let's change our preview background. Like actually this preview will have different ways to we can make some design for that. Like suppose if we want to check it is on devices like Nexus 5, and it will be coming like this, and show system UI true means it will be applying the complete system UI of that one. So now it will looks like exact device we are going to check as an Nexus 5, right? Now we can apply the background color for the right, like 0 into f. No, this is like right. Now suppose let's say I'm changing it to black. Now the preview will change the complete background color, right? Now let's say we are going to add a different text. So for this for that I am just creating one column. So we will discuss about the column and rows means in the coming videos. In this video just we are focusing on the text, how to display the text, apply the styles for the text, and making the shadow and custom fonts, other things, right? So let's create the text. So this text compose having the properties like that: text, modifier, color, font size, and like this we have multiple properties. So we are applying just one by one. Now initially just add the text is equal to compose tutorial Jetpack compose, right? Now it is default, it is not applying, right? Just wait, we are building it one. No, it is not showing. Here is the text is there but the color is right. Now we are applying the color for the text, right? Just add the color property and take the color from the default color dot white. Now see, it will be showing Jetpack compose. Let's say suppose I'm just adding something about the modifiers. This we will coming learn about this in the coming videos. And just actually I'm just adding that padding for that one, so it will be give some proper space for that, right? Now it will be give that left, right, top, bottom, and some padding will be applied here, right? So this is the just simple text we are just showing and adding the some color properties. Let's say we want to add make it the text as a bold text, right? So how we will apply this font weight property is there, so we are adding font weight dot bold. Now let's see how it will display. Look at this is the normal font and this is the bold, right? Now just apply the font size to make the bigger text, right? Let's say apply font size 20 sp. Now refresh the page. Let's look at this, how much it is increased, right? So this is just normal applying the text. We can display that one and adding some font sizes, right? Let's say we want to make the text in italic mode, right? So how we will apply, right? So I'm just copy pasting that one, pasting here. Let's say text style, font style, right? Font style dot italic. Now let's see, it will be displayed in the italic mode. Look at this, it is saying, right? Suppose we want to add some custom fonts, so how we will just we are downloading some custom fonts from the Google Fonts. Just type on the Google Google Fonts download and just go to here fonts google.com. Here download Google Fonts and you can new fonts. Just wait, just open this one fonts.google.com and you can see different types of fonts and other things, right? Suppose flex, and this is the types we can select. So I just downloaded this Poppins, so I just download font family, right? So I have already downloaded and that is I have saved in the wait fonts workspace Poppins I have downloaded, right? So just copy them. So before using that into in our application, just go to resource folder and create some online resource directory and select, take it as a font, right? So now create the font. Now let's paste what the files whatever we are copying. So make sure that the font let's say we are copying font bold, one thing Poppins thin, regular, just copy them and paste into our font folder, right? So we are just pasting, right? Look, let's see now we need to use them inside our text. So for that we just creating one font family variable is equal to font family, and here we need to apply add the fonts. So dot font dot Poppins bold, and we are making to available for that like font weight dot bold. Like this we will add all the names, thin and regular, whatever the types you want you can add it. Thin, Poppins, poppins regular, normal. So we are applying that name. Just let's say I'm just changing this one, and now apply this font variable to our text, right? So here we are adding just font family like this. Let's run on it. You will see one error, right? It is directly showing. Why? What happened is, so file based resource names must be contain only lower cases and A to Z like this, but here our the file name is different, so just change it to lowercase names, right? So I'm just changing underscore and lowercase letter poppins. Similarly for regular, rename and here the same thing we are adding name. Okay. Now it's here we are changing, right? We just changing the names. It's regular. So we are just applied here font family, but now we need to change the font weight. Font weight is already, so why it is showing? Yeah, that's right. Look at this. This is changed to bold italic. Suppose if I want to add it as a regular, same font family we are applying, but the font weight we are making as a normal, so it will be picking as a normal one. Look at this, and change the italic so that we can easily identify how it is showing. Text size, font size. Let's say make it 20. Now build and refresh. Look at this is our poppins font family size. Let's say we want to add some like custom colors for the same text. So for that, how we will add the using the spannable text in the Android. So let's say here is the text, right? So now we are changing it to text build string. So this will be gives us to add the multiple text with the different colors, right? So for that, with style, with the text style, sorry, 1 minute, let me check. Building annotated string with style, right? Sorry, the name is building annotated with string. Now make it to our styles applying, right? So here we are applying the span style. So this will apply that one, and here we'll the color dot green. Now what it is having the methods is span style, color, font size. These are having the different types, right? Font color. Now append text. Suppose we are adding jet, right? Now what I'm adding is again append Jetpack, right? Now again we are just adding one more compose, right? So copy and paste it, make it as C, compose. Right, now let's check how it will be displayed. Look at this, J is showing as a green color and this is white, and again C is. So like this we can change the different colors for each character. Also we can change, like the pack compose, suppose we are adding red, so now it will be showing the red color. Suppose now we want to add shadow for the text, right? Let's say I'm just copying this text property and pasting into down. Now that one more here I'm adding. Now we are going to add shadow for light. Style, text style, and now add shadow property. Shadow color dot cyan. Suppose we are applying cyan color, and we need to add offset x value 4.0 f and y value 8.0 f. Now blur radius, how much blur we want to make it as 4.0 f. Now let's see how it will show. Look at this, we are adding the shadow for the compose jetpacks, right? So like this we can add different types of shadows for this. So showing the sample text, simple one, which is doesn't having, just adding the bold for the text, adding the italic, and adding the custom fonts for that text, and customizable spannable strings we are showing for the text view, and this is showing the shadow for the text. So in this video we are showing we just learned all these things. So in the coming videos we will check about the buttons and all the things. Thank you guys.